So here you can see I am on the mobile screen. Open the Google Map and select the contribute option. After selecting contribute option, there are many options below our profile name. Click on the update road option. After clicking on the update road option, there are many options available: missing road, road name, and etc. We will click on missing road. So I am selecting missing road option. Here you can see new interface is opened. There are many roads. So we have to select where we want to add a road. So I will start from here. There is a road missed. So we will fix it. To add a road, click on the start drawing button and point it at exact location. You can see. Select from point and add easily. We can easily turn the road by clicking add point. Select the exact road point and draw easily. You can see I am easily adding the road. So here I added totally road. You can see. Click on next button and select here appropriate option. I am choosing the local road and above we can type road name. Carefully type the road name and select the next option. After clicking on the next option, we will see this type of interface. Our added road is showing in green color. You can see. Select submit. After submit, click on OK. After clicking on OK, our road will be added to the Google Map. Firstly, Google Map team verified. After that, it will display.